All right, welcome in everybody. We are live. Let me send out a notification to everybody. Just setting up some things here on the back end. Let me get this situated. Okay, looks like we're good. Okay, perfect. So let me send out a tweet. Let's see here. All right, tweeter. What's up? Good morning. All right, let's see here. Let me send out a tweet here. Welcome in, everybody. As you're popping in, welcome. Something went wrong. What the heck's going on? Okay, let's see here. What's up, Robert? How you doing, man? Hopefully the stream is good. I'm getting an error message. YouTube's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. So let me make my chat box a little smaller here. Okay, let's see if that works. See if that helps. Welcome in, everybody. Okay, hey Rob, how you doing, man? Things are looking great. People are firing up in the Discord. Good morning, Perry, Adam. How you guys doing? Good morning. Ethereum continues its run. Oh, man, this is amazing. Up 26%. I know I've been saying it a lot here on the channel, but if you're not yet in Ethereum, I still don't think you're too late. I think this is just going to continue to rise here. So we're going to break it down. We're going to talk about the latest news. We're going to do an update here on the cryptocurrency hacking situation. They did find who hacked what was it, 600 million or so. So it sounds like they are going to get this money back in the hands of the investors, which is great to see. They're already starting to return some of the 600 million they stole in one of the biggest crypto heists. This is good news. More than 600 million was stolen in what is likely to be one of the biggest cryptocurrency thefts ever. Hackers exploited a vulnerable Poly network, a platform that looks to connect different blockchains so they can work together. Hackers have started returning some of the 600 million. The cyber criminals actually exploited a vulnerability in Poly network, a platform that looks to connect different blockchains so they can work all together. So this is great to see as we're starting to see the hackers return the funds. I guess they actually used Monero, which was kind of interesting, to transfer the funds, which is the privacy coin, the top privacy coin. So I'm just trying to see. Okay, yeah, this was the tweet from Binance. Good morning, everybody. Trisha, Christine. Good morning, Alan. Morning. Loving your portfolio. Me too, brother. Me too, man. So this was the Binance CEO, just kind of updating everybody yesterday. The good thing is the markets didn't really react to this. We just continued to storm ahead, which I love. So I don't think that tweet sent out. So let me send that out. Good morning, Christine. How's everybody doing this morning? Let me get a tweet going here. Let's do a couple hashtags here. Crypto live stream, something like that. I did not use the Shiba Inu live headline, so I'm wondering if we can get some folks in here. I know when I use the Shiba Inu line, because there's such a large community, right? We get a lot of people all at once, but I think we'll slowly come in. So crypto live stream, crypto live. Just sending out a quick tweet here real quick. Live on YouTube talking crypto. Cool. All right, I'm going to send that tweet out. All right, let me pull this back over here. Okay, perfect. There's the tweet. Nice. What's up, Daniel? Back again, yes, sir. Why not? Hey, what's up, Johnny? Jeremy, how you doing, man? Making pancakes for my son, get my crypto fixed. Nice, man. Nice, nice, nice. So I sent out this tweet. If y'all could retweet this, that'd be great. Spread the word a little bit. Appreciate that. All right, let's take a look at some charts. How about that? Let's take a look at some charts here. All right, so where's SHIB at this morning? Let's check this out. Shiba, where are we at? 7-8 level. We'll leave that up. We'll come back to that. Okay, what's going on here? Chat's disconnected. I don't know what's going on with the internet connection this morning. I don't know. I'm the SHIB Army and love all your videos, Zach. Christine, thank you very much. If it's not about SHIB, appreciate that. Appreciate that, Christine. I think we're starting to widen our scope, and that's kind of my goal. I don't want to be tied to just only one. Ooh, hold on one sec, guys. I just had a new Patreon member struggling to find the Discord, so hold on one sec. Let me send Tyler Yetzer. Welcome to the private community. Let me send Tyler the information here. Hold on one sec. Bear with me, guys. Robert, YouTube has been shadow banning crypto channels. Yeah, you know, what are you gonna do? I guess you can only just continue on, right? You just have to keep moving forward, I guess. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. I just want to make sure this private community member gets the access, because I'm going to be on here for a little while, and I just want to make sure that they get in, and they're looking for the Discord link, so let me put that in there. Carter, good morning. Justin, good morning from Dallas. What's up, Travis? How you doing, man? Okay, let me go back here. Almost done. All right, share, link, boom. Okay, there it is. Discord link above. Okay, Tyler, you should be good to go if you're listening in, man. There you go. What's up, Bruce? How you doing, man? Tatted Grizzly CPI data came in better than expected. Surprised that BTC isn't pumping. I know it will. Tatted Grizzly, I think so too. I think we're going to get another surge here. But look at the SHIB price. This is nice. This is setting up really nice. I mean, we had the big pump here with SHIB back on the 8th. Since then, kind of dropped down, but then look at this, consolidate, drop down, and creating higher highs, right? I like this trajectory here that we're seeing. These are hour candlesticks, so these are lines that we drew in there yesterday, right? So we're slightly breaking these levels of resistance. We're not even coming down close to these levels of support right now. That's great. That's great to see. So very nice. William, what's up, man? Hey, bro, drop the SHIB for the day. It's stagnant. IOTX is about to go live on Coinbase today, already 200% up. Nice, man. Unwrenchable, what's happening? Travis, morning. Tyler, appreciate you taking the time. I got you, man. I thought you'd be on here live. You should be all set up, Tyler. Just sent you the link over there. You should be able to just hop right into the community, man. Appreciate you, brother. All right, so there's SHIB. Let's just go down the line here a little bit. And so SHIB and Doge, look at this. Isn't that similar? Look how similar these chart patterns are. There's Dogecoin. Here's SHIB. I mean, almost identical. Almost identical. Trina says that the Discord's hopping. Always is, isn't it? Look at that. Isn't that nuts? Very similar. So here's Doge on an upward trajectory as well, up over 26 cents. I'm actually just going to give this one away for all of you. I got 2,500, a new position. I got 2,500 Dogecoins yesterday, and I forgot to message the Patreon members on this. I will message y'all right now. I did so much stuff yesterday. I was kind of all over the place. But But I basically went ahead and got 2,500 Dogecoin at 25 cents. Opened up a new position. I'm pretty happy with that. I liked that it was right at 25, and I liked where the overall market was heading. Sure, I wish I'd have got down in here, right? 19 cents, but I still have some other positions open on Doge. I like it. I'm not even anywhere near, closing out those positions. I still think SHIB and Doge have a lot of room to grow later this year. I mentioned that in the video that I put out last night with the coins that I like here for the remainder of 2021. I think they both look really great. Now, my favorite, obviously, is Ethereum. Look at this. So this is just crazy. I mean, look at the gains here. Instead of the 1 hour, let's do 4 hour. That should give us a little bit better of a look here. So these are 4 hour candlesticks. Look at that. So dating back to the 20th of July, so 3 weeks ago. In 3 weeks, this has gained 90%. 90%. Actually, probably more than that now. Somebody could do the math, like, 17, I don't know, if somebody wants to do this, it was 1716, and now it's 3232. So if somebody wants to do the math on that, go ahead. It's almost 100% gain, okay, which is insane. In 3 weeks, 3 weeks, that's all it took. So when we were talking about buying at 1700, I did get some. Wish I'd have got more, but yeah. Good morning, Mo. How you doing? Luis, how we doing, man? All is well. ETH, BT, BIT, XRP, ACH, AMP, ADA, Polygon. Nice. Next resistance line for Doge. Let's go back and look. Yeah, Doge is an interesting one because it is so dominated by the top holders. Okay, but resistance, we're definitely seeing some resistance here at like 28 cents. Okay, pushing past 30 cents would be the big one. Okay, so if we just draw a line right here, hold on one sec. That's a little bit higher than it should be, but okay. So there you go. This right here, this line, where is that? It should show me that. But basically, there you go. I mean, we need to break through that line right there, okay? You can see here, we got a V-shaped recovery working. This is Dogecoin. So basically, breaking out of, 28 cents would be big, okay? Because we haven't seen that in a long time. It's been since June, actually, okay? So you could see it's rated as a buy right now, Doge, which is good. That's why I added onto my position at 25 cents. So it's looking pretty solid right now. Okay. Yeah, Matic is just moving a little bit slower. I still really like Polygon. I think it's going to do some great things still. The layer 2 solution for Ethereum, I love it. I think it's going to be needed even with Ethereum 2.0. That's something I've talked about in some videos before. It's just moving a little slower right now, but it'll catch up. It'll catch up for sure. I'm done with Dogecoin. I got 20,000 coins. Yeah, I know you do, Travis. Travis has a large Doge position. He's in our private community. RJB is in our private community too. What's up? Good morning. Detecting with Patrick. Good morning. Just woke up to those green candlesticks. Gotta love it, right? Gotta love that. How about Axie, guys? This thing is crazy. Just parabolic movement. Hit 70 yesterday, didn't it? It hit 77. Oh my goodness. Axie just going nuts. Crazy, crazy. Axie is such a weird one because it just doesn't follow anything related to the market. Excuse me. It's on its own terms, right? It's just it does its own thing because of that play to earn model. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. When is the next event / change happening for Ethereum? The next big upgrade, I believe, will be. I know there's one in early 2022. There actually might be one later this year. I think maybe December. So we had the London hard fork upgrade. The next upgrade will essentially get us to Ethereum 2.0. Mr. Garcia, I missed the boat on Axie. I am not going to lie. And shout out to Austin Hilton, if he's listening out there. What's up, Austin? He called it. We had a private community member, both of us, we call him Nut. He called it when it was $15 per Axie. And I didn't go in. I was hesitant. I sat on my hands and didn't make a move. Austin, I know you did. Austin is way up on that trade. But I didn't make it. But hey, you know what? You win some, you lose some. I'm still pretty happy with where my portfolios are right now. So, you know, it is what it is. Hey, y'all, we got up over 100 people in here. Thank you so much for stopping in and stopping by. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel if you're new. But can I ask you for a quick favor? Can y'all smash the like button real quick? We don't even have 30 likes, and that really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. I know that I don't like doing that all the time, but it's totally free. And it really, really helps. So if you could do that, that'd be awesome. Okay, so Mo says, what do you think about Harvest Finance and ACH? I hear you, man. Harvest Finance is an interesting one. I haven't done a deep dive in it. Now with Alchemy, I really like it. ACH is a really good one. You can kind of think of it as AMP, but more global. They've already entered 65 different countries. Alchemy Pay. I've created a couple content pieces on them. They're super interesting, and I'm definitely looking to add on because I think that had dipped down a little bit, didn't it? Let's see where ACH is. Here it is. And it's back up 13%. So it did dip, so you could see that instead of the 4 hour. Let me go to the 2 hour, see what that looks like. Okay, so we had the dip yesterday into today, right? Got down to the 0.8 range, and now we're back up to the 10-cent range after a big push forward. So this is a good one, man. I like it a lot. So Nut does predict the future, man. It's crazy. What's up, Jacob? Stock Gamer, tell us about Cardano. Cardano Evo? Oh, wait. Is that like its own asset, Cardano Evo? If you're talking about Cardano, I love it. ADA is looking fantastic. It continues to rise. I love Cardano. I've talked about it many, many times here on the channel. It's my second largest holding next to Ethereum, and I'm pretty pumped about that. So ADA right now at $1.82, just storming ahead. This is on the heels of some big news. And let me take you over here and show you what I'm talking about here. Nice job, Devin. Got in Alchemy yesterday at 0.08. That's a good price point, man. That's a good price point. Greengrass Acres, how you doing? From down there in Mississippi, how are you, man? Hot looking good. Number 67 on CoinGecko. I hear you, Luis. AMP or ACH? It's a tough one, man. Can you go with both? I like both, man. All right, so here's that story for Cardano. This is one of the reasons why Cardano is storming ahead. So ADA going to hit 2 EOD and all-time highs this weekend after the announcement. So this was a story that came out yesterday, or actually a couple days ago. So Input Output Hong Kong, a blockchain infrastructure research and engineering company behind the development of the proof-of-stake Cardano platform, announced that the Alonzo Purple testnet is up and running. Following the first 2 Alonzo updates, dubbed Blue and White, the final Alonzo Purple update commences as the first fully public Cardano testnet to support smart contracts. Very big. So this is kind of the first phase. Now gearing up for the final phase. It's an important moment, marking significant progress in the rollout of smart contracts on the Cardano mainnet, which is targeted for the end of August / early September. So that's what the time frame we're looking at here. Later this month, early September, which is right on schedule. So love Cardano. I think we are going to set some new all-time highs. Just how high we go, a lot of people said $5. I would not be shocked if we get there, but if I wanted to be a little bit more conservative on that bet, maybe, you know, $3.50 to $4, I think is a really solid bet right now. $3.50 to $4. But I wouldn't be surprised at all if we got to $5. And here's the thing with Cardano. and I'll be letting the private community members know this. I'll probably be taking some profits with Cardano because I think it will come down. We're going to see a dip in it, and the same thing goes for Ethereum. Basically, I think there are going to be some major run-ups, and I'm going to take some profits, and I'm going to let you know when I'm taking those profits. That's a really big piece of investing, right? When to take some money off the table and wait for the dips. And when I say take money off the table, I'll leave that in a stable coin like a DAI coin or something like that. So if you want to become a private community member, I'll link this over in the top chat so you know every time we're buying and selling. I will take a look at your portfolio for you if that's something that interests you. But not to mention, we just have a great community growing over there at the Discord. So many intelligent people, and it's a great place to be if you're really interested in crypto and you're looking to learn all the time. It's a great think tank, and you have people always right there at your disposal to answer questions. So it's a great place to be. So appreciate everybody who's become a private member over there, and we're having a ton of fun. So any update on Amazon crypto acceptance? That's a really good question. I was thinking about this the other day. Something that Nut actually told me about this, that I was thinking about doing a video on it, and I still might do this. But XRP Ripple actually has a partnership with Amazon, kind of through another intermediary, right? Like through a third party, kind of they're partnered. So perhaps XRP would be the one to watch with Amazon. I do think Amazon is going to get involved in crypto. There's no question. It's just how and when they'll do that, and of course which assets they'll use, right? So we'll have to wait and see. But here's ADA again. I mean, just crazy gains. Love it. Continues to storm higher right now, showing no signs of backing down either. Big step up here last night and then into this morning. Man, that's big. Big. How do I get Tyler? Just shoot me a message on screenshot it, man, and I'll take a look. And Tyler, I know you just became a private community member. Send me a message on Patreon, man. And as soon as I'm off air here, I'll take a look at it. I don't want to do it right now, obviously, but be happy to help you out, brother. And welcome to the private community. If VeChain breaks 11, it pumps to 13. I hear you, man. Yeah, VeChain is looking super bullish. Let's take a look at VET. So I talked about VET as one to get into for the rest of 2021. I talked about it yesterday when it was at 10 cents. And here we go. It looks so bullish right now. It just continues to move higher, set higher highs all the way. Again, that important date where things started to rally was July 20th, right? That's when the entire market started to rally following Bitcoin. Anthony, that's just Amazon AWS, not Amazon Shopping. Okay, in terms of the XRP, just a hint, when XRP breaks around 114 mark, it's going to explode. That is the tip of the large up and handle pattern, cup and handle pattern on the daily, right? I honestly don't think I will sell single XRP until I retire by selling it all. I hear you, Ant. I hear you, man. Where is XRP? There it is. XRP looking super bullish too, up to 89 cents right now. Looking great. Looking great. VeChain, okay, got that. Anything you put into Cardano will make you free money. Well, nothing's free here, Kevin. I mean, there's always a chance that it can, it can take steps back. But the thing is, you don't lose if you don't sell, right? If you just hold, if you got the willpower to hold through the downturns or even add onto your positions, I agree with you that Cardano will move higher than this. Yeah. But in the short term, anything's possible, right? Anything's possible in the short term. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. It's totally free, and it really, really helps out with the algorithm. I think we can get to 100 likes. I think that's doable. So if you go ahead and smash the like button, we'd really, really appreciate it. And hopefully everybody's doing fantastic this morning. What is it? Hump day today, right? Today's Wednesday, middle of the week. I know a lot of people getting up and at it on the West Coast. I know Anthony's over in England. It's a little bit later in the afternoon there. So what's up, Aiden? How you doing, man? Focus, hello. Stock Journey, has anyone seen UFO token, the Truth token? No, I haven't heard of that one, man. Brian, howdy. Kritika, hello. Hopefully y'all subscribe if you're new, too. Ireland, but close. Okay, gotcha. Ireland. Sorry, I screwed that up. I thought you were in the UK. I'm sorry. How's Zach? Malaysia here. Nice. Gerard Gaines in Indy. Nice, man. Me too. Mark, morning, Zach. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, Mark. Lovely Inu. I haven't heard of that one, man. I would stay away. There's a lot of scams out there, guys. I would stay away from ones that if they sound scammy, you know, if you hear people like, if they're a bunch of bots, like, you know, talking about them, that's usually not a good sign. Here's Polkadot. Polkadot's looking super bullish right now. Look at that. Dot came all the way from, man, this thing was down at 10 bucks, so it's already doubled. It's at $21 now. So Dot was a great one to add back when it was $10.65. You've essentially went up over 100%. Sandbox has not seen the crazy run up. It did see a little bit of a pop here, but it's been trading sideways for a while, which could be good. As we know, this is another one that is actually partnered with The Walking Dead. Sandbox, definitely one to keep on your radar here. It's at 69 cents right now, up about 2%. ICP continues to move higher. It's just not one I'm very bullish on, guys. This one was way at the top. I don't know if y'all remember this earlier this year. ICP was like a top 10 asset, right? Since then, it has come crashing down. Where is ICP now? Number 16. So it's still up there in market cap. It's just not very decentralized, and it's not one that I really love. And I've been very outspoken about that. So Luna looks great. Luna's looking fantastic here. Look at that big run up. This is yesterday and into today. Look at that big pop here for Luna. We're looking at 2-hour candlesticks. Chainlink, another one. I mean, I couldn't believe this thing got down this low. This is another one like Polkadot. It's doubled in 3 weeks. It's up 100%. Ethereum has almost doubled. A lot of these other ones have. Link and Dot, they've doubled. They've doubled in price since 3 weeks ago. So it's pretty amazing. Litecoin has also been on a nice tear. So Litecoin was down here at $1.05, $1.04. Call it 104. It's up to 172. Chili's has had a nice little run. Look at Chili's. It was down here at 20 cents. It's up to 33 cents. I love Chili's as a social token. I think, you know, they still have a lot of room to grow, and I think they're very early on in the space. Will there be other social tokens out there? No question. Is it smart to maybe add some Chili's because it's the first one, because it's already having partnerships, you know, with professional teams, and yeah, I think so. I think it's definitely going to have a place in the space, if you will. For some reason, you can't put screenshot on Patreon. Tyler, just use the direct message on Discord then. Either way, you can direct message me on either platform. So head over to Discord and screenshot me what you got, and can't wait to take a look at it for you. So shout out to Wasan too. Wasan just became a Patreon member. Shout out to you, Wasan. Welcome in. You and Tyler, welcome. Boca, you were cutting your grass? Welcome in, man. SHIB's very close to the 8 level. Nice. Let's see. Yeah, in the days range, it looked like it got really close, right? 798 in the day range. But here's SHIB, 2-hour sticks. Looking great, guys. We're right up against that resistance line. There it is again, see? It just doesn't know if it wants to break through that. Look at that. Right up against that resistance line that we put in there yesterday. How about the speech from Crypto Cruise? I haven't seen that, Tori. What's up with that? Any thoughts on Raven coin? I got to take a look at Raven Coin. I know a lot of people talking about it lately. It's been performing well. ADA is nuts. It sure is, man. Sure is. ADA is running like crazy. Look at that. ADA's just looking great this morning, guys. Looking fantastic. Look at the amount of volume here with ADA coming in. Love it. Billion degrees down here. If you don't cut it early, you melt. I hear you, Boca. Are you down in Florida, Boca? Aren't you? Samurai, I got you, man. VThor token, I got you, dude. Listen, man, I like VET. If you're going to pick one or the other, I like VET over VThor. But if you want to have both in the ecosystem, that's cool too. But I'll take VET over VThor. Because VThor is the other one in the ecosystem. Correct me if I'm wrong. Get off my lawn. Could you check IOTX and give us your opinion? So I'll try to bounce around to those later on. I want to continue to go on through the charts here. But if you do want me to look at something, you could send a super chat of any price, and I'll jump right to it. But I want to continue to go through these charts because I think this is a really great way to kind of see the overall market. So let's take a look at Aave real quick. Look at Aave. Aave is one that I wish I would have learned about sooner because look, here's another one. This has doubled, okay? Since July 20th, it was 210 bucks. It's essentially 420, right? It's 418 right now. Crazy. And Aave has a huge, huge ecosystem growing. A lot of things are built on top of it. It is certainly one that, this one along with Solana, I wish I would have learned a little bit more about earlier to get in, but I still might get in at some point, right? But now's not the time while things are running like crazy. Okay. And this is, I believe Elron is EGLD, right? EGLD? Let's make sure of that. I think it's Elron, which is another interesting one that I missed the boat on a little bit. Yeah, EGLD is Elron, but it has done some crazy, crazy moves here. 65 bucks to 141. Crazy. That's Baby Doge. For some reason, the charts never pop up on the Baby Doge charts. But it is down right now, Baby Doge. It did pump up for a bit there. It's one of those meme coins / community coins, social coins, whatever you want to call them, on the outside looking in on my portfolio that I would consider. That one and SafeMoon, that's why I cover them sometimes. So here's ACH. Oh, what's Cartesi doing? Let's take a look at Cartesi. Cartesi had the big pump back on the 9th, right? And it's since just kind of consolidated here, really consolidated here at 75 cents. So this will be one to watch. What about Wink? They have their own online casino. Anthony, I really like Wink. Yeah. Do you think ADA can hit $7 at the end of the bull market? 7 would be surprising. It could get to 7, but I think 4 or 5 is more feasible. Nice, Johnny. Oh, gotcha, Tori. I did see that. Yeah, briefly. I gotta go look at that again. I must have been sleeping. Stone gave me a tip for Raven Coin a while back. Made some nice gains on it. Nice, Anthony. I miss Stone. I haven't seen him for a while, man. I don't know where he's at. He did tell me he's been busy at work. That was a few weeks back. Let's see. I agree, Daniel. Ooh, the Smooth Love Potion. So the token that goes along with Axie. This one's way down right now still. I still think this one can really run up from here. So if you're looking at Axie thinking, I missed the boat on Axie, Smooth Love Potion, SLP token, goes along with Axie. This one might be a one to look at. So there's that for you. Let's see Matic. Now Matic is pumping. Yeah, look at that. So wow, Matic is doing some huge things this morning. Look at this. Up to $1.35. So it took Matic a little bit of time here. Look at that. I didn't even notice this today. Matic is pumping like crazy. So let's see the biggest gainers here. It's probably going to be Matic, right? Oh, IOTX, 218%. Wow. I guess that's why you guys were talking about that one, all right? So Helium, where's Polygon? There it is, Polygon, nice. So IOTX, what the heck's going on with this? I know people were mentioning it, so let's bounce over to it. Up 214%. Wow. Not sure why IOTX is pumping like this. I'm sure there's got to be some big news related to it. Been following you for a while now. Love the videos, very informative, helpful. Thank you. Going to subscribe to Insider soon. Nice, Keith. Appreciate you, Keith. Got in Ravencoin, made a few dollars myself. Hey, what's up, Raquel? Nefty, what's up, man? Need to get in on Ecomi. They got the Disney partnership, right? Okay, so what is this? Decentralized platform whose aim is to empower the open economics for machines. Okay. It's decentralized backbone for machine economics, which serves machines ranging from smart home devices to autonomous vehicles. To this end, IOTX has built and launched a fast, high-performance and EVM-compatible blockchain that provides flexibility and scalability for various applications. Interesting. Okay. I don't know if there's some kind of news out today. They're almost at a 1 billion market cap, ranked number 87. Huge run up today for IOTX. Look at that, 217% up. That's big. Good morning, King. But going back to Matic here, look at that. Just awesome, awesome run up here. These are 2-hour sticks, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Over the last 14 hours, big gains for Matic. Big gains, love it. Thoughts on Digibyte, Antonio? I like Digibyte, not invested in it, but it's interesting. It's interesting, and I like the concept. How about Flow? Flow is an interesting one too. Been consolidating for a little while, just not running up like the majority of things. Although, I guess it has. This is back in June, so it started running up. It reached that low point. So I guess back in June, look at that, Flow was $5.84. So yeah, I guess it has. It's what, almost 5x, 4x. 4x from here, so since mid-June or late June. Interesting. Flow's another one we talked about in our private community pretty early on. Also, real quick, guys, quick plugs here. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hopefully, you're getting some value here. You're enjoying the stream. We'd love to keep you here for a while and make you part of our community. And second off, if you're thinking of joining a private community, I've got the Patreon link up there for you, pinned in the top chat. Then I've also got some referral links to Coinbase and Crypto.com in the description. If you want to open up exchange, we can get some free Bitcoin if you decide to do that, or free 25 bucks if you decide to open up a Crypto.com account. So those are down in the description. All right, so SHIB's getting close here. At the 7.9 level. Okay, look at that. Let's zoom in here. Very nice. Calvin, what's up? Thought on Satama FUD going around saying devs are slowly pulling the rug. Yeah, I'm not in Satama Inu. Portfolio message on Discord, I think. LOL Crow is creepy. Okay, Tyler, I will get to that, my friend. After the live stream, I'll get back to you, brother. Perry, VGX, still strong. That's the Voyager token, right? Yeah, it looks really good. It's been doing some great things here. VGX. Where is the Voyager token? There it is. Voyager token. Wow, look at that. It's had some crazy gains here over the past few days. It's in the top 100. As you all know, I don't really look too far outside the top 100 for assets that I want to hold on to. I just think it's not worth my time. and it's just not worth my risk tolerance. So, ooh, they changed these chart patterns up a little bit. This is kind of cool. This is new. Is this an upgrade? Very nice. Very nice. This is cool. So this was way back, Voyager token, this was way back in 2018. So it's been consolidating for a long time. Look at that. So the beginning of the year, it was 51 cents. And wow, now it's up over $4. So yesterday it moved up over 13%. Very nice. So you can take a look here, like the 30-day low and high, like in the last 30 days, it's moved from a low point of $1.55 to $4.29. That's great. In a month's time, that's amazing. And the same could be said here on the 90-day. That's amazing. The 52-week low and high, that's crazy, right? 9 cents to $7.26. But it reached that way back in, looks like February or March. So yeah, Perry, to answer your question, I like the Voyager token, but just probably not at the moment. I would be a watcher right now because it's just running up like crazy. What's up, Daniel? Satama's down slightly. Great time to position in. Yeah, Kevin, I'm not doing it, man. I'll just keep it at that. I'm not doing it. IOTX up 200% in 24 hours listed on Coinbase. How about that? Coinbase effect. Yeah, so IOTX, guys, up 200%. This is the Coinbase effect. Now, here's the thing. Do not, okay, I don't want to tell you what to do, but in my opinion, do not chase this right now. This cannot last. It cannot stay up 215%. Look what happened with Alchemy Pay. Look what happened with AMP, right? Same thing happened, the Coinbase effect, where it skyrocketed. But what happens? People take profits. So wait for this thing to come back down if you believe in IOTX in the long term, if you miss the boat on this, right? If you're already invested in it, you know, maybe you could continue to dollar cost average or whatever if that's your strategy. But if you miss the boat on this, I wouldn't try to chase it, in my opinion. Because when you start chasing something up, that's usually when it comes crashing back down. And yeah. But it's the Coinbase effect. I mean, can you imagine what's going to happen to SHIB when it gets listed to Coinbase? I'm telling you, it's going to be huge. And we're still waiting to hear news on that, right? It was June 16th where we got the message, so from Coinbase Pro that they were delaying the launch. It's not on Coinbase yet? Okay. Is it going to be listed? Got in early. Nice, Oscar. Once it hits 200%, you've already missed. Exactly. I mean, once it hits, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Don't buy high. You want to buy low. Exactly, Bruce. Exactly. Think about XEC, Bitcoin Cash swapping to XEC Cash. I don't know much about that. Let me see. XEC. eCash. Vechain's pumping. eCash is a little bit outside the top 100. Wow, it's super cheap. I don't know much about this. I can't really speak on it. I'd have to do some digging on this. Let's check out Vechain real quick. Yep, there's a Vechain pump. Yeah, this is one that I put in my top coins for 2021 last night. I love Vechain. Considering the all-time highs at 27 cents, man, I think we're going to break through that. I think we're going to break through that. And this chart pattern just looks super, super bullish for Vechain. So, Anthony, welcome in, man. Shiba pumping. Let's check it. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, we're still at that resistance line. Here's SHIB. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. So there we go. You can see nice little upward trend here, though, forming. Love that. Okay, let's see if this will continue. So there's the SHIB chart there. Looking good. Keith, we did talk about Cardano. Love it, man. Love Cardano. Super, super bullish on Cardano. Thank you, everybody, for stopping in. If you're new here, hopefully you're getting some value and subscribe to the channel and all that cool stuff. Also, hit that like button. Totally free to do it. Really helps us out. I've tripled my investment. Thank you, Austin, on Vechain. Nice. Nice, Raquel. We Robot Go Shiba. Yeah. Mohammed Win is pumping like crazy now. Interesting. A lot of things are pumping. Got out of Kishu. I think that's a good move, Mark. I'm not going into Ryoshi right now. No, I'm good. I'm good. I got my SHIB and I got my Dogecoin. That's all I need. Look at this, though. SHIB and Doge, so similar. Look at this. Right? Consolidation here and then a breakup. Look at this. Consolidation, breakup. Very similar patterns. The run up, the dip. I mean, just almost identical charts. Mr. Junior, I didn't, man. I didn't. I didn't want to. I didn't want to get into it with Uphold and all that. I don't know, man. Listen, you don't have to be invested in all the winners, you know. And I know some people will say you're so stupid. You missed out on XRP. I mean, I don't see it that way. If you feel better about putting that money in XRP than in putting it into, I don't know, ADA or Ethereum, like basically what I'm trying to say is there are going to be many winners, right? And I still might get invested in XRP. I just find it too risky right now with all the goings on with the SEC. And I know, dude, it could have a ton of success. I'm not saying, you know, listen to me, I've got all the answers, don't invest in XRP. No, I'm not saying that at all. Very, very smart people, intelligent people in our private community and right here on YouTube own it, and they believe in it. And that's it, you know. XRP is the future. Yeah, I mean, I think it could be, Boca. It could be. Anthony says, come 3 months, you will have. Okay. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. But, you know, I mean, so if you look at, and we'll have to watch this closely, right? But let's just see, like, real quick. Let's just see in the last, I don't know, when was the market way down? Okay, so July 20th, it was 52 cents, okay? So it's pushing up to about 90 cents right now. So it hasn't it hasn't grown 100% yet. It will once it reaches $1.04. Okay, so in terms of percentage gains from when the market came back, somebody could do this quick math. You know, it's roughly 80%, right? Roughly. Well, there's a lot of other things that have grown more than that in that same time frame. I know that's only a snapshot of time, but time will tell with XRP. And I'll tell you this: if the SEC lawsuit would have been done by now, I would already be in XRP. That's really what's holding me up. And you've got to make your own decisions. You know, you got to listen to everybody. You got to hear bullish cases, bearish cases, and make the best decision. Wow, Bitcoin prediction by 2025. That's tough, man. 2025. I'll say 250,000. 250,000. When do you think Shiba Inu will get listed on Coinbase? I don't know. Hopefully soon. Yeah, exactly, Luis. That's a good way to look at it. There's going to be so many winners out there and so many losers, right? So you don't have to have them all. You know, if you miss one, you can gain on some others, right? So like, you know, I'm super bullish on Ethereum, right? I mean, you got to pick your horses, if you will, right? Yeah, I agree with that, Kevin. BTC by 2025. I agree. It's a good range. I mean, I would say 250K is pretty conservative. I like AMP, Zadron. Crowcoin underrated. Yeah, Tyler, we've talked about it here on the channel. In fact, we opened up positions in Crowcoin at 11 cents. Right on the heels of the partnership with, I should have it in here. Here it is. Right on the heels with the partnership with the UFC. So here's Crowcoin. Looking super bullish. Up to 15 cents almost. So looking solid. Matic's looking really bullish today, guys. Look at that. Boom. Loving Matic right now. Looking really bullish. I mean, that's just parabolic movement there. It's probably going to dip a little bit here, I would think. But Matic, it was taking a little bit time for it to catch up, and then it did that this morning. What's up, Jermaine? I mean, the thing with XRP, Anthony's a huge XRP advocate, and I love listening to his perspective because it changes my mind, because sometimes I'm a little more bearish on it, but it's good. You should kind of test your opinions up against other people's opinions. I love that. So he says, I'm sure the SEC has a lot of panicking lawyers running around in office at the moment. Did you see the trap Ripple walked SEC into yesterday, getting extension to 16th of their motion? Having within a few hours. I mean, what worries me is how much higher could they have went if in this bull run, you know, if they were done with this, if they were back on Coinbase, right? Because that's when I wanted to ride it up. But we'll see. Maybe they'll continue to run anyway. But you know, XRP also, it doesn't need to stay in the United States. Their headquarters are in the U.S., but they've actually toyed with the idea of moving outside the U.S. So maybe they will. Maybe they'll just move outside the U.S. and forget about that market. But obviously, it'd be way better to keep it. Oh yeah, I did see Coin Bureau talking about Matic yesterday. Maybe, yeah, maybe. They reached their current all-time high without Coinbase. XRP? Isn't their current all-time high back in 2018? Listed as a strong buy right now. How to pick a 100x coin. Flip a coin and say a prayer. I mean, yeah, it's tough. 100x, I mean, I don't know. Flip a coin and good luck. Yeah, Cardano's killing it, Devin. Cardano's crushing it. Litecoin's looking good too. Yeah. Litecoin's looking good. So real quick, guys, just update you guys on this. I did talk about this early on in the stream. So hackers start to return some of the 600 million. They know who did this, and they're planning on getting all the money back to the individuals. So that's great. This was unfortunate, but as we could see, it did not really have a big impact on crypto. So that's good. That is good. All right, y'all, I'm going to get up on out of here and create some more content. I'm going to go, you know, get some food in me and then come back to my desk and create some content. Before y'all go, hit the like button. Also, the Patreon is a place where, you know, if you want to become part of our private community, we'd love to have you over here. And I'll mention this one last time. Hit the like button on your way out, please. And thank you all so much. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, too. This has been a lot of fun, as always. Come on over and join us at the Patreon. You're going to get a ton of great benefits. Access to me. I'll take a look at your portfolio for you. Infinite Money, studying for the California real estate state exam, so I might not be on YouTube that much, but I will super chat whenever I can. Good content. Infinite Money Coin, I appreciate it, man. You're always sending super chats in. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Daniel, sometimes I do eat before noon. That's hilarious, man. Daniel's in our private community. I tend to fast until noon, but last night I didn't eat a lot. So sometimes I'll eat around 11. So I'm probably going to take a shower. I'm going to get some more coffee, and I'll probably eat around 11. So I'll be a little ahead of schedule today, Daniel. That's hilarious, man. Thanks, y'all. Thanks, Christine. Thanks, Travis. Ripple already has the office in London. Yeah, I did know that. And a big office in Dublin, exactly. And the XRP Foundation have their offices in Europe too. Yep. Yeah, I mean, it would be an easy transition for them, right, Anthony? For sure. Tori, thank you for the super chat, man. Appreciate you. So it's brunch. Exactly, brother. Exactly. Aiden, take care, man. I think we're getting ready for a bull market, Luis. I think this is the start of the bull market. All right, y'all. So if you missed it, go back and check out the rewatch. Appreciate you. Mike Jones says the gas fees are crazy high. Oh, I know it. All right, y'all. I will see y'all soon. I'll be creating some more content for you throughout the day. All right.